My people, I don't come again with this another ogbonge gist. This gist it makes sense well. My people, I go leave una make una watch this video, make una hear wetin Realwarripikin come talk concerning this video. She talk concerning this video who be parents. And parents mean say different type. It gets some parents wey say they go just sit down, allow another people they oppress your pikin. While some go dey, they no go allow another person to oppress your pikin. Which parents you belong to? Now the one wey be say they oppress your pikin, abi na the one wey be say before you oppress your pikin, say if you don't dive the person like tigress or tiger, you understand? Now she dey try to make us understand now for this video. So I go leave una for here, make una watch this video, make una understand wetin she dey try to make us understand. Okay, my people, una no vex say I no greet una. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey watch this channel, una no forget to subscribe, to share, and to comment below. And una not forget to press that notification bell so that anytime when I put video, it go dey sound and knock for una phone back. Alright, mona bye.
Area where they play. There is more to being a parent than just to blah blah. Born pikin, they start to hustle, pay school fees. There is more to being a parent. What kind of a parent are you? Pussycat parent or dog parent? Pussycat parent now those work parents where they say they go see something, they go throw away face. Social media go they raise the children for them. They don't know their children. They don't know the class where they, no relationship, nothing. But the dog parent now, the one will be saying, even though so fly past, he go back. Those are the parents that are watchdogs. Updates on instead. They know their children. They've created a psychological safety for that child to tell them every and anything. And it's very safe. The safest one to be are the dog parents. Because this country where we dey, this world where we dey, so now be the L where they preach about. Now be L, no L anywhere, now here be L. This world. It's safe to be the dog parent, especially when your children are less than 18 years. The street is not smiling. Things that they happen. As a parent, you need to be a dogged. Because the kind of children where we get now, not be like we will be analog, they be digital. These ones, once they're born, they wear their slippers correct too. So you need to shine your eye. Things they happen. This world is wicked. So you cannot afford to be a pussycat. Parenting is very hard but very rewarding. You will get the reward for future. But if you're not doing aware, they go disgrace you. Things they happen. No, Insta blog when I see which day. Yesterday, yeah, they say one caregiver for creche, 2 years pikin injure eye. These caregivers now, sir, these teachers, I don't even understand anymore. All this kind of work, now you must get passion for them, not because of money. The teachers where we get today now just because they not get work when they just do one. That makes things they spoil. 2020, yeah. Stella, my 16 years old, for our school for Lugbe. I don't know if I remember that time where they admit me for hospital. When I won't really know what to happen when they admit me. You know, say for pandemic, they say me that they use phone to they do class. Now so a teacher call private chat her. They chat her, they tell her things, they tell her send me snap, send me your picture, they talk rubbish. She come meet me, show me the chat. I reached the school. I sick the next day. Because what I do? Before I call those people where they carry badge, I put badge for you first. I put badge. For where you go to rob cream, maybe they go to see him. Oh! When he see him, he go no say, you know go tell small pikin may send nude. What am I trying to say? We can't afford to be pussycat parents. No! It's an error. This they happen, oh. This they happen. Raise your children well. That time our parents use tough love. They beat us anyhow. Tough love, we're going to fear them. But this time, use love. Use love so they will know that they are not doing it. You are not doing it because you hate them, but because you love them. You cannot afford to be a pussycat parent. You cannot afford. You cannot afford, oh. Area. This they happen, oh. Tie your wrapper tight. These streets. Oh. Oh, SMH.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware